Vlogmas. Today I just came back from grocery shopping. I thought to myself, okay, let me go grocery shopping early. I never go early. I usually just like to wake up late. It's a Sunday and you know, just chill in, relax. And I thought, okay, let me get up early, let me go grocery shopping. And I didn't understand this about grocery shopping. Why does everyone go so early? That was a line. And I usually never queue up for grocery shopping unless I'm going to Costco. There's always a queue at Costco, but that's just a given. I went to Tesco, went to Big Tesco, and the queue was just around the store, and I'm like, do I just go somewhere else? So I just went in, and when I came out, there was nobody there. Like, there was no queue, nothing, and I just don't understand, why do I go early? And I just end up spending more time, and I end up just getting in later anyway because there's a queue. Anyway, just got back from grocery shopping, so I'm just gonna unpack now. And yeah, today's gonna be a very chill vlog. I'm just like, today is just a day of me getting stuff done. It's Sunday and I just got a lot of stuff to get done. I'm just gonna unpack real quick. Alright, okay, so as you can tell, got a bit of packages and stuff to open, but essentially, so I've got changed, by the way. Let me just readjust my camera. I also got changed. I have this thing where it's like when I come back home from somewhere, no, when I come back home, yeah, when I come back home from somewhere, I always have this thing where I always have to get changed, if not right away, very soon. And then I just feel uncomfortable when I'm wearing my outside clothes inside. I don't know, I think it's just the way that I've been. Do you guys have that? I've been like that since school days. So when I'd wear my school uniform, once I'm in my house, straight to my room, get changed. It's just how I've been. Anyways, as you can tell, got quite a few packages to open. Essentially, these are all gifts. I don't know what is what. I've just been ordering so many different types of gifts and things like that, and they've all been coming here and there. There's a lot of delayed orders because I suppose they're very busy at this time, but I've got a lot of packages to send off as well, essentially because it is Christmas coming soon, and I am sending off my Christmas presents to people because of course I'm not gonna meet up with a lot of people this year. I'm just going to be sending off my Christmas presents, and I'm cutting it close. I'm cutting it close because there's like, also there's a work Secret Santa that is like it's very, very soon, and I have not sent off my gift. Thank God. So essentially for work, we have this Secret Santa thing going on, and I don't know what to buy. I'm just thankful. I am thankful that the person that I have for my Secret Santa has a wish list on Elster. So my thing was like all done by Elster, and then so he had a wish list on there, and I was like, thank God, because I would not know what to get you. I'd be stuck. And one of the things he asked for was the Coop game. Everything that he asked for was on American website links, and me finding the UK links. For instance, this game in stock in America. UK is like, I kept refreshing different pages. I was checking every single day because this game was out of stock everywhere here, Amazon in stock, but it would take forever for it to get here, and I just need to find somewhere in stock and they can deliver within the time that I need to send it off and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, he asked for this, and he also asked for like a book. Well, he didn't ask, it was in his wish list. So I got that as well, and I really need to send it off because I am cutting it so close, because I don't know when I'm uploading this, but by the time I think by the time this is uploaded, I would have already done my Secret Santa stuff, but I need to get it to his place by the end of the week. Anyways, different story. Let me struggle with that a little later. Oh, okay. I thought this was gonna be something else. So I got this card. I was gonna get 3 of them, but 3 of them were gonna be £15. So I was like, let me just get one. I'll just get one of this card. So essentially, I thought this was a really good idea. So this card, you can actually plant this card. So this is, it says Let It Grow, and it's like their Christmas themed one. They've got another one, I think it's just your regular card that you can give to people, but essentially it's a card that you can actually plant, and this says this plants to grow daisies, which I did not know. All I knew was that you can plant this card. So essentially the idea of this card is that you write in it whatever, send it to whoever you want to send it to, and they can actually use it to plant and they can grow daisies out of this. So all it says at the back is that this card is made from eco-friendly paper embedded with wildflower daisies. When the paper is planted in a pot indoors or soil in the garden, the wildflower seeds will germinate and grow into flowers. So I thought this would be a very good gift, a very good concept for a Christmas card. So I bought one of them because they weren't that cheap. And so for my next one, oh my god, oh okay, we're gonna do a bag in a bag. Whoa. Can somebody tell me the point of this? It's already packaged in a bag. It's the exact same bag but just packaged twice. So the next package is from House of Fraser, and I literally just bought a ton of like little mini gifts. I was just thinking kind of mindlessly and just getting like, okay, this will be cool, this will be cool, this will be cool. And then you know what, they sent me a message and saying some of the stuff was out of stock, and it's like actually the stuff that I would really want to send off to specific people, and this was all like just the little mini gifts. But I thought this would be nice to open on camera, and then you can have like some sort of ideas or whatever. I don't know, I really don't know. So I got, oh, I totally forgot that I even got this. Like I said, I was thinking mindlessly. So one of my friends really loves cats, so I just got a mug that says lover of all cats, and I thought it looked quite cute, so I got that. I also got, what did I get? Oh, okay, I got this. I thought this would be a really cute gift to give to someone. So essentially this is a, like, I don't know, whatever drink you want to put in here. It's essentially just a wine cooler. No, a stainless steel cooler, and on the top it says gin, so I'm assuming if you want to have like some gin, if you want to put some wine in there. I thought this was a really cute gift. Next, I actually just got this for myself because I don't have anything that makes ice, so I just got this little cute raspberry one, and it's just your regular silicone ice tray. Also got this mug. It's essentially just the matching version of this one, and this one just says I just want to hang out with my dog. So it's just a matching one. I actually have no one to gift that to, but I just got it anyways. Also got some cute little socks. There's like watermelon socks and pineapple socks. I can't remember what I was thinking when I was buying things, clearly, because I got a lunchbox. Who was I gonna give this to? Whatever sprinkles your donuts. I don't even know who really loves donuts. Anyways, maybe what I'll do is I'll put like a bunch of nice snacks and stuff inside, and that'll be like a little cute gift. To who? That's another question that I can't resolve right now. This one, this bag right here, let me move this bag, this box right here. Let me move everything back so you can see this. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. How am I meant to open this? Can someone tell me how I'm meant to open this? Pretty sure this is the gift I got for my mum. I don't know if I'm going to show it on camera, just in case. Oh my god, the packaging on this! Ooh, can I see the side? Can I see the side? Ooh, okay, I think I'm going to leave this as is. I'm not going to open it because I just want to keep this whole packaging. It just looks, oh my god. Look at the packaging on this. Like, I don't want to undo the sticker, I want her to do it, so we are just gonna close that and deal with the other packages. Oh my god, I broke a nail for this. When did I even break my nail? Was it for this or was it I haven't broken a nail in ages. Anyway, so I literally just opened up a bunch of like presents. I don't know why I did quotation marks because they are presents for people. So these are actually going to be part of people's gifts for when I like wrapping them and stuff like that. So I thought it would be really nice, like little add-ons on the side. Today I'm actually gonna package everything today because I really need to send it off if I want it to be at people's places in time for Christmas, and especially when it comes to my Secret Santa stuff, I need to get that sent, but I want to send it all at once. And my Secret Santa stuff needs to be there for Friday because we have a Zoom call on Friday, and I don't know if we're like gonna be opening the gifts for Friday, or I don't really know. Anyways, let's move on. has actually been using a bar for a while now. Well, like a few days. She was sick the other day, so she had like saliva all in her mouth. But because she was like curled up on her bed, literally her like butt stank. Beverly! Oh my god. Why are all those dogs so crazy when they're wet? Okay, so for dinner today, Baz made. Could you open this? Baz made tacos. Oh, what? Agri cheese. We don't have all the ingredients, but it's enough. Yeah, like guacamole, all that, you know, that kind of stuff. That's alright. It needs more flavor, I think.
I didn't want to put too much of the other flavor in because it's very salty. Want to that?
I'll give it like a 5.
Feel fair, it's not the best I've had.
My original plan, like I said earlier, I was gonna just pack everyone's Christmas gifts and send it off tomorrow. Then I realized I was looking on my phone and I realized, oh damn, I'm still waiting on orders to come through. I guess it's just a really busy period. But yeah, I think I've been waiting for about 2 weeks for this order, and oh my god, my finger stings. I burnt myself today on the stove. I literally just put my finger in it. Why? I don't know. But what I have to do is my Secret Santa gift for work, because I don't want to be one of them people who just didn't give a present to their Secret Santa, or their present just arrived late. We have a Zoom call for our Secret Santa, I think Secret Santa exchange, I guess, but like over Zoom, and I don't want to be one of them people who, like, you know, just didn't give their gift in time. So I am going to wrap my Secret Santa presents. I'm just going to send it off in this Amazon box, because I feel like at this Christmas time I've just been ordering so much. There's no point of me buying a new box when I have boxes. Does anyone here actually like wrapping presents? I actually love wrapping Christmas presents. This year we're going in with no sellotape because I don't have sellotape. I don't know what I was thinking. I went Tesco earlier and I didn't even think to get tape, so we're just gonna do it without. Okay, one gift down, and honestly, without tape, I feel like I've done a pretty good job. I'm always a bit extra when it comes to packaging gifts. Yeah, well, it looks quite nice. No tape or anything, and I like the colours, you know. This is, I'm actually using wrapping paper that is just left over from last year. God, so I was just unrolling this wrapping paper, and it comes with double-sided sticky stuff. I don't know what you would call it, double-sided little dots. Okay, so I don't have to go. I literally just finished wrapping 2 gifts, and now I realize I didn't actually need to do the ribbon to hold it together. I could have just... Damn, why didn't they like show this before? Look how cute this is. This actually looks really cute, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
I would like to receive this.
This is fancy.
It fits literally just right. Like, just gonna put some stuffing around here so it doesn't move around too much. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go.